Hello everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a two-star Sudoku, and this one will be number 1282. Yes, and before I start, I always count the printed numbers. I think I know how many digits in this Sudoku. The previous one has 27, so this should be 26 printed numbers. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8, 9, plus 4 is 13, 17, 20, 23, 26, as expected. Yes. So let's get started. Alright. We have, let me see, which number shall I pick? How about the number? The number. 1, 2. Yeah. A1 in this row, A1 in the last row, A1 in this row, A1 in the last row, so in the row between, the only two places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so in that column the only two places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so in the middle column the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Then in this big square, one of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these two boxes. We see a 7 there, so no 7 in that box. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So in the last column, we have a 7 in one of those two boxes. In that column, we have a 7 over there. So in the column between, the only three places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Let me see which number I pick. How about the 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing those missing numbers are the 9, the 5, and the 4. 4, 5, 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. One box left for the 9 should be there. The 4 and the 5 goes in these two boxes. I do not know in which order. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. That means the other two boxes are left for the numbers 3 and 2. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then then how about these three numbers in the second row? The missing numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 6. We see here a 6, so no 6 there. Here also a 6, so no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be here. And then 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 3 and 4. In this column, 3 and 4, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then, then 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 2, the 5, and the 8. We see here 2 and the 8, so no 2 and the 8 in this box, so 1 digit left should be the 5. Here goes the 2 and the 8 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Or there we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Digit number 2. And then 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Or there we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 5. Now we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 3. Oh, wait, not the 5 and the 7. Because we have a 5 here, the 9. Correction, this is a 9. 9 is missing. Almost made the mistake. Almost. Alright. 2. Can I fill this? 2. Yes, 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers 5 and 6, we have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 3, 1, 3. How about the number 4, 3, 6? No. 3 and 5. I need a 5. I need a 5. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3, 4, and 9. Alright. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. So in this row, we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 4. And this should be a 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 9 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. Then how about these 2 numbers in this column for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4 is missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 3 and 9, we have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 3 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 1. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. 1 number left in the 3rd row for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 6 and 4. How about these 3 numbers, the 1 is missing. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here also 1, so no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 9. Now we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here. The 5 goes there. Now I have a 5 here. So I have marked these 2 boxes with a 5. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. 1 box left in this first column for the number 3. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the 3rd column. The only place for the 4 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 3. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this Sudoku. It's a 2 Stars Sudoku. Thumbs up if you like this. Thumbs down if you dislike it. Download this PDF file if you want to make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. So see you later, and bye bye for now.